To fix the LG washer SUD code, follow these steps. The SUD code appears when the washer detects too many suds in the drum, which can cause problems during the wash cycle. First, check the detergent you are using, as using too much or the wrong type can cause excessive sudsing. If you are using a regular detergent in a high-efficiency washer, switch to a low sudsing or high-efficiency detergent. Next, check the washer for blockages, such as coins or other debris, that may be causing the sudsing problem. Open the washer lid and look for any blockages in the gasket or drain pump filter. Remove any debris you find and check the drain hose for kinks or blockages. If the problem persists, try running a cleaning cycle on your washer. This cycle will help remove any built-up detergent or debris that may be causing the sudsing problem. If your washer does not have a cleaning cycle, run a hot water cycle with a washer cleaner or a cup of white vinegar. This will help remove any built-up detergent or debris. After running the cleaning cycle, check to see if the SUD code is still appearing. If it is, you may need to reset the washer. Unplug the washer from the power outlet and wait for 30 seconds before plugging it back in. This will reset the washer and may clear the SUD code. If none of these steps resolve the issue, it may be a more serious problem and you should contact a professional for assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the LG washer SUD code and get your washer working properly again. Regular maintenance, such as checking and cleaning the drain pump filter, can help prevent the SUD code from appearing in the future.